سلام چطورین؟ چه خبر؟ Today we're going to start working with our first Persian time pattern. We're going to use it first in Communication Focused Persian Unit 3 to talk about our schedules and then throughout the course as one of the ways of expressing frequency. We use this pattern to talk about how often we do something by forming phrases like 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, 6 months a year, and so on. Now let's go over the pattern. روز in Persian means day, and hafte means week. So if we want to say once a week in Persian, we can say یک روز در هفته, literally one day in week. Similarly, 2 days a week would be دو روز در هفته. 3 days a week would be سه روز در هفته, and so on. And ساعت in Persian is hour, among many other meanings. So if we want to say, for example, 1 hour a day, we would say یک ساعت در روز. 2 hours a day would be دو ساعت در روز. 3 hours a day would be سه ساعت در روز, and so on. Now let's put our pattern into practice. I work 5 days a week in Persian is من 5 روز در هفته کار میکنم. Literally, I work 5 days in week. I work 8 hours a day would be من 8 ساعت در روز کار میکنم. And I sleep 7 hours a day would be من 7 ساعت در روز میخوابم. Now take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say how many days a week do you work. تو چند روز در هفته کار میکنی؟ How many hours a day do you work? تو چند ساعت در روز کار میکنی؟ How many hours a day do you sleep? تو چند ساعت در روز میخوابی؟ He works 4 days a week. اون 4 روز در هفته کار میکنه. She works 10 hours a day. اون 10 ساعت در روز کار میکنه. He sleeps 9 hours per night. اون 9 ساعت در شب میخوابه. We work 7 days a week. ما 7 روز در هفته کار میکنیم. We work 6 hours a day. ما 6 ساعت در روز کار میکنیم. We sleep 9 hours per night. ما 9 ساعت در شب میخوابیم. How many days a week do you work? شما چند روز در هفته کار میکنین؟ How many hours a day do you work? شما چند ساعت در روز کار میکنین؟ How many hours a day do you sleep? شما چند ساعت در شب میخوابین؟ This should have been how many hours a night do you sleep actually. They work 6 days a week. اونا 6 روز در هفته کار میکنن. They work 7 hours a day. اونا 7 ساعت در روز کار میکنن. They sleep 8 hours per night. اونا 8 ساعت در شب میخوابن. Perfect. Now you know how to use your first time pattern to talk about how frequently you do something. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.